Hey, what's up guys, the TechSpot here, and the floodgates have opened for the iPhone 12 pre-orders. So currently you can only pre-order the iPhone 12 Pro and the regular iPhone 12, so basically both 6.1-inch iPhone 12 models. The more exciting iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 Pro Max will be available to pre-order later. So I have the full release schedule right here, so you can see the iPhone 12 mini and Pro Max will be available to pre-order on November 6th. And ship on November 13th. Now, if you're quick enough for the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro right now for the pre-orders on October 16th, which is today, you will be able to get your phones on October 23rd, which is what I was able to do. So yeah, you have to be right on the spot. Apple really made the pre-orders available at 5 a.m. And so yeah, I hope they go back to their original schedule where it's after midnight, because I am now very, very tired and very sleepy. And I can't wait to go back to bed. But yeah, in this video, I'll be talking about what I pre-ordered and why. Okay, so just like 30 or maybe like an hour ago now, Apple's website went down, and that's how you know that they are refreshing it to make the pre-orders finally available. And today, again, is October 16th. You can pre-order from various different places, including the Apple website, the Apple Store app on your iPhone. So that also went down. I was trying to check out my bag in the app, but it kept on coming up with an error. So I kept on trying. I was eventually going to try to pre-order from T-Mobile, the website, and also try Best Buy. So I was on the line to actually pre-order from T-Mobile, and again, it was having errors. So I tried calling, and I was in the wait line. And so yeah, while I was waiting, I was still checking on the app to make sure I could still pre-order, and finally I was able to get my pre-order in. So first I pre-ordered the iPhone 12 Pro in the gold color, and yeah, so here it is right here. Now I was gonna get Pacific Blue, but I saw the gold and I'm like, oh my god, the gold just looks absolutely beautiful, and I have to do, okay, it just changed it up. It's even more shiny, and I just think it looks really, really cool. I think it looks personally cooler than the Pacific Blue, but it's very, very close. I love the Pacific Blue as well. The silver and the graphites are they're all right. They're cool too, but personally I prefer the gold and the Pacific Blue. They just look amazing. I ultimately went with the gold and 256 gigabytes. And yeah, so the second phone I ordered was the iPhone 12, the regular one, and I ordered it in the red color. And yeah, the product red. And yeah, again, I was gonna go with the blue color, but the red just really popped out. I think it looks really, really nice. Apple knocked out of the park with this. The green and black and whites are kind of to me personally. So yeah, again, it was just between the red and the blue with the iPhone 12 for me personally. And yeah, this is gonna be like kind of my secondary device, so I thought I'd get in 64 gigabytes. The other iPhone 12 Pro is going to be my daily driver. Definitely, I love the finish on it with the stainless steel, but the aluminum on the iPhone 12 is also good right here. And yeah, they're just both all-around great phones. I am super excited. Both of my orders will be arriving on October 23rd, as you can see, Friday. So I will be doing an unboxing and review, so just stay tuned on the channel. Make sure you're subscribed with post notifications on. I'll be doing my first impressions and reactions to the phones as well. So yeah, here we're comparing the different iPhone models. So we have the iPhone 12, the iPhone 12 Pro, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So again, I got the iPhone 12 in the red color, but again, blue looks really good too. This is the kind of greenish color. I mean, not kind of, it is green. And then we got the white, which is too, and then we got the black. And so yeah, I chose the red personally, and over here the Pacific Blue again looks absolutely incredible. It's so hard not to go with that, but yeah, I ultimately went with gold because I think that personally looks better. But yeah, so the Pro Max again will still be available for pre-order soon on November 6th, and will ship November 16th. But yeah, so I'm getting both these on October 23rd, so I'm super pumped. I'm super lucky to be in this position and super fortunate. Anyways, again, both these devices that are going to be coming out on October 23rd that I pre-ordered will be 6.1 inch in screen size. They both have 5G ultra-wide cameras. Now, the thing about the iPhone 12, the regular model, is that it does not have a telephoto lens, which is basically the zoom lens. So that's fine for me because I don't really zoom in that much. But yeah, I mostly use the ultra-wide anyways, but regardless, they both are great phones. And you can see you get 2 times the optical zoom range on the iPhone 12, and on the Pro you get 4 times the optical zoom range. And when the Pro Max comes out, it gets even better with that lens with a 5 times optical zoom lens. Now, both the Pro models get the LiDAR sensor that does not come with the iPhone 12. Basically, LiDAR sensor adds for faster autofocus, it's better in low light, and next level augmented reality experiences. So again, better object placement in real time. So that is going to be really, really cool in the future. They all come with Apple's A14 Bionic chip, so you're not sacrificing performance with any of these. Now, on the iPhone 12, we do get up to 17 hours of video playback time. Same with the iPhone 12 Pro. But because the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a lot bigger at 6.7 inches, a freaking behemoth, we get up to 20 hours of video playback time, which is absolutely insane. Regardless, the battery life on all these phones is really, really good, and I'm not going to be complaining there. I love the battery life on the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and so yeah. Anyways, we get ceramic shield, which is going to be better glass on the front screen, so it's going to be 4 times better when it comes to drop performance. And yeah, so this is a main difference with the Pro models and the iPhone 12. The Pro models do have surgical grade stainless steel as material used, so that's why it's like super shiny and it's going to be more durable. And the iPhone 12 still has aerospace grade aluminum, which is still good. But yeah, I just prefer the stainless steel, of course. Kind of like with the Apple Watch. Anyways, they are both water resistant up to 6 meters for up to 30 minutes. And they're all compatible with MagSafe. Now, these are storage options that you have available. So again, on the iPhone 12, I went personally with a 64GB option. That's not going to be my daily driver. If it was, I would definitely opt for 128GB or more. But yeah, so on the iPhone 12 Pro, I went with the 512GB option. So I was trying to get the 128GB option actually, but the thing is, they were kind of sold out and I didn't want to wait too long because I wanted to make videos for you guys. So I opted for the 512GB option. I might return in the future and get the 128GB option. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, going down, you guys got the different display sizes. So again, the ones that you can pre-order right now are both the 6.1 inch models. So that's the iPhone 12 Pro and the regular iPhone 12. And yeah, the mini will be coming out too alongside the iPhone 12 Pro Max. If you guys are excited for the mini like I am, super exciting stuff. I'll be getting those as well just to test out and show you guys that I'm doing boxing and videos and stuff like that. So you got the resolutions right here. I think the mini actually had the best PPI because it did have the smallest screen, so it might look the most crisp, which is crazy. But yeah, the iPhone 12 Pro Max, of course, has a bigger display. So True Tone displays on all of them. Now, the iPhone 12 goes up to 625 max nits of brightness, while the iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max do go brighter in the screen at 800 nits. I don't know how noticeable that will be when comparing them side by side, but we'll go ahead and test this out too. But anyways, regardless, they all have a max brightness of 1200 nits. Now you guys can see the width is basically the same on the iPhone 12 and Pro. So yeah, basically the same dimensions, the same depth. The weight is different, so the iPhone 12, it's a little bit lighter because again, it uses aluminum as opposed to stainless steel, splash and dust resistant A14 chips. And yeah, so this is the things with the camera. So you guys can see, again, the iPhone 12 Pro does get the telephoto lens, which does not come on the 12. And when the Pro Max comes out, the difference is between a f2.0 aperture versus an f2.2 aperture. So let's send a little bit more light. But yes, going down, you guys can see the zoom. So the digital zoom up to 5 times on the iPhone 12. Again, 2 times optical zoom, which is like the real zoom. And then over here, you guys go up to 10 times zoom. Pro Max, you get up to 12 times zoom. So anyways, going down, you guys can see, you can compare all those as well. They all have smart HDR. Video recording is around the same, basically. And it's going down. These are the front cameras. So the front cameras on all the devices are the same as well. But yeah, so that is what I pre-ordered. Again, I ordered the iPhone 12 product red and the iPhone 12 Pro in the gold color. So let me know what you pre-ordered down below in the comments if you did pre-order the iPhone 12. Are you excited? Let me know which videos you would like to see down below in the comments. I am super excited to receive these new iPhones. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more, and as soon as the iPhones are in my hand, I will be making videos on them, including unboxings and so much more, reactions and comparisons. This is TechSpot, and I'm out. Peace.